Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. Today's video is regarding LTC, Litecoin, cryptocurrency, and I have been making some videos on cryptocurrencies for last few weeks because they are really booming a lot and you can really make a money just playing with some coins. You can be a long-term holder, at the same time you can be a swing holder, but at the same time keep that in mind, cryptocurrencies are very volatile, so they move a lot within the same day, within the same week, so you really have to have a strong stomach, and if you can hold, then definitely it will reward you a lot. And if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. So first of all, LTC, I'm showing you the chart, all-time chart, so you can see that they had the boom like the all other cryptocurrencies, came down all the way and again is going up. But the good thing is you see the all-time high, it has broken the all-time high and it is going up. One other important thing is last time you see it was a parabolic run and it came so fast, but this time it is going in steps, and how it is going in steps I will show in later. But you can see each time it goes up, there is a pullback, goes up, pullback, goes up, pullback, goes up, pullback, goes up, and there will be a pullback. So do not rush, it will come back, we will wait. In this particular video I will show you the support where it should come back, then there will be another run. So stay tuned till the very end. I will come back to the chart again, I promise. Now let's look at Bitcoin. I'm comparing three things. So the red one is the Ethereum, the black one is LTC, and the bottom one, the orange one, is Bitcoin. So you can see that they like to move together. It makes sense, all the cryptocurrencies move together. But since mid-April, Bitcoin is moving sideways. You can see the orange line is moving sideways. On the other hand, Ethereum and LTC, they are going higher. And we know Ethereum is leading now in terms of growth. And I made a video on Ethereum Classic. You can check my playlist. I'm also going to make another video just on Ethereum price target and why Ethereum I'm so bullish. But anyway, you can see the black line, which is for LTC. You can see how they're moving together and you can see the growth. So first of all cryptocurrencies move together, and definitely, and lately Ethereum and LTC, they both are running really good. Now look at the market cap. So Bitcoin has a market cap of 1 trillion, Ethereum has like 498 billion, so it's 0.5 trillion, right? So Bitcoin is here, and where is our LTC? Is number 11. The market cap is 25 billion. But look at the circulating supply, it has 66 million and Bitcoin has 18 million. And why I'm comparing with Bitcoin, because these two has a similarity in terms of they have a limited supply. They have a limited supply. If you want, you can go and read Bitcoin versus Litecoin, what's the difference. But the main thing I want to talk here is they have a similarity, because we know Bitcoin has a supply, fixed supply. So at one time the supply will be fixed, but the demand is growing. That is why the price of Bitcoin is moving a lot. On the other hand, LTC, it also has a supply, but definitely it is more supply, higher supply than Bitcoin. But again, the supply is limited. So if the demand is going higher, definitely the price will be parabolic. So that's the main takeaway. But at the same time, you can just go through their difference, their similarities and everything. But I'm not going through everything. It will be super long videos. So if I go to Litecoin site, you can see that the miners are currently awarded 12.5 new Litecoins per block, an amount which gets half every 4 years. So every 4 years it will be cut into half. And the Litecoin network is therefore scheduled to produce 84 million Litecoins, which is 4 times as many currency units as Bitcoin. So basically the total cap is fixed. This is 84 million. So you can't have more than 84 million Litecoin, and it will be 4 times as many. So regarding market cap, is Bitcoin is at 1 million, and if you divide by 4, you get like 250 billion, right? And if we are looking at the market cap currently, we can see that Litecoin has a market cap of only 25. So definitely there is more room to grow for this particular coin. And in the video I will also talk about the price prediction for LTC, so you will get a better prediction for LTC. Now let's go back to the chart. As I told you, it loves to go in steps. So I can start from anywhere, but you can always see previously it was a support, it went there, it came back, then moving from support went up, came back to the support, move up, came back to the support. You see a big run here, then it came back to the support again, a big run. It was a resistance, it went up and is going up, and it's a support. So what can happen from now? This is more important, right? What can happen from now is running up, and most probably it will come back down. Most probably again it will come around 330 to 350 range. Then there will be a next push up. So do not rush, because when I see this particular line, I think it will be something like this. It will come down, it will try to push up, come down, try to push up, but most probably around 330 to 350 it will come back again. Then the next push will happen. And also I will keep an eye whenever it break that blue line. So whenever we will go side on the other side, on the right side, the upper side of the blue line, it means the pattern is changing, is not a falling pattern. So definitely I will be making more videos if I see a pattern, and definitely this is the all-time high. So once we break it, definitely it looks higher, but keep that in mind, it can again come back within 350 to 330 in this area. So if you want to establish a position, definitely you can establish a position. Once this is done, I think it will start for a next move up. And also look here, like last time, starting from here, the resistance was like 45%, right? Same thing can happen here, like it will come back here and it can go around 45%, and it can go around $480 to $500. I'm not saying by when, but definitely it has a future, it can go up. So just look at the trend, how it is moving, and if you want to get a discounted price, aim to get something around 330 to 350. If any kind of drastic change, then it might come back all the way to 280, 300. So keep that in mind. But anyway, if you do not know what is Litecoin, you can go to their website, the cryptocurrency for payment. So basically Litecoin is a peer-to-peer internet currency that enables instant, near zero cost payment to anyone in the world. It's an open source global payment network that is fully decentralized without any central authorities. Okay. And it talks about so many things, blockchain, community, Ethereum, and everything. But this is the thing I talked about it. So it has a total supply of 84 million Litecoin. Supply is fixed. If the demand is growing, then definitely this one will go higher. And if you want to buy Litecoin, you can use different source, but normally I use crypto.com. And why I use crypto.com? Because if you buy and just leave the coin in the account, you will get up to 8.5% interest on your deposit. So you will get two-sided benefit. Once the Litecoin is going up, you will get the benefit of the run up. At the same time, you will get up to 8.5% interest on your deposit. And in the description box, I have a link and a referral code which you can use, and using that, if you make a new account, you will get $25. I will get $25. It's a win-win thing, correct? Same thing, I have an account in BlockFi. You will get up to 8.6% interest. I'm also leaving the link, a referral code in the description box below the video. You can use the referral, and you and me both will get some free money. So win-win, correct? Okay. So lastly was the price prediction. So I have been looking at different websites, and they have different predictions and everything. So this is one. I have been using this for last few weeks, and they have a prediction by 2022. They are projecting something around 450 to 500 USD by end of 2022, and they are also projecting that sometime in 2022 there will be a big drop. You can see big drop, then it will bounce back. But keep that in mind, by 2022 they are talking about 450 to 500. The current price is around 350-ish, so still there is a upside. And also when I showed you how far it can go, I showed you that it can go up to 500 definitely. And also look at some other sources. This is another one, CoinWatch. So it talks mostly year by year. So by 2021 it talks about 600. So I talked about 500 conservative. By 2023 it talks about 900, and each time it has some kind of justification why Then by 2025 it's saying that LTC will be having in 2020 where the block reward would get halved and become 6.25. So what's the justification? And by 2025 Bitcoin will be 1200. By 2030 it will be 1500. So considering the current price, a 5 times conservative estimate, I would say. Also, there is another firm, it talks a cryptocurrency research firm by the name of Crypto Research Group, is calling for Litecoin to reach 1200 by 2025 and almost 2200 by 2030. So by 25 1200 is like 4 times your money. So different firms come up with the different prediction, but I think by end of the year it can go around 450 to 500 definitely, and it has more room to go because the supply is fixed and the demand will grow and grow in near future. So what's the plan? Yeah, that's the plan. You need to know the support and resistance, and each time it goes up it loves to come back to its previous support. So again it was the resistance, now it is a support, so we can go up, but definitely it has to come back, retest the support, then it will start for the next run. So you might see some price action like this. I'm not saying it will happen, but boom, right? Something like this. So keep that in mind. And also this is very important to look at the support, because if there is any crash on cryptocurrency or anything, this is very important to see the support, how far it can come below. But if you are long term, then definitely you can hold this till 450 to 500, make some quick gain, and let's have some money. At the same time, this is a cryptocurrency, keep that in mind. It moves a lot within the same day, within the same week, so you need to have a patient and a very tight stomach. So anyway, my friend, if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And almost every day I'm bringing a cryptocurrency video, so if you are a crypto lover, definitely this is the place you should be subscribed in order to get regular update. At the same time, I love to do technical analysis, so I will show you the support, resistance, and the breakout. I have a Twitter page, a stock with page, also link in the description box, so you can follow me to get some real update. Same time, the community tab of my YouTube channel, if you're subscribed, you can see that I post time to time update the price pattern, whether it's breaking out or it's crashing, so all kind of day-to-day update. So anyway, my friends, thank you for watching this particular video. Have a wonderful trading day. Take care and bye.